Hello people, this is Self-Tuts and we are continuing our series on Python for beginners, and in this video we'll see what are comments in Python. So comments are the basic functionality which any programming language supports. So every programming language that you use, either it is Java, either it is Node.js or PHP or C# or C or C++, every programming language supports comments. So why comments are important? Comments are important because it increases the readability of your code, which means to understand your code, it becomes very easy. So if there are comments, then you can read those comments and then you can infer that what the programmer is trying to say or what the programmer is trying to do here. So comment plays an important role when you revisit your code after some days. So suppose after 1 week or after 1 month, you are revisiting an algorithm or you are revisiting a logical code that you have written, then it will be helpful for you to understand that what you have written. So for other developers also, it becomes very easy to understand your code. So Python also supports two comments, that is, the first one is the single line comment and the second one is multiple line comment. So in single line comment, if you are trying to give some comment about that what is this variable, what is this function, then it is advised to write a single line comment when you are writing comments or when you are writing lines which contains only 8 to 10 words or about 60 to 70 characters. But if you are trying to explain something, if you are giving a detailed explanation which contains multiple lines, then it is advisable to write it inside a multi-line comment. So we'll go to our terminal here, and this is my terminal, and you can see here I'm inside Self-Tuts, Online and Python for Beginners folder. So this folder is currently empty. So I'll create a new file here and I'll say comment.py. Now the important thing here to note is that every Python file that you are writing will end with .py extension, which means .py identifies the file as a type Python, which means Python interpreter or Python program can execute this file and you can run your code which is written inside. So whenever you create a file in Python which you want the Python interpreter to run, then it should end with .py extension. So this will open my file, and suppose I'm trying to write a variable. So I'm trying to give a comment for a variable. So suppose the variable name is a. So I'll say name of variable is a and it is an integer. So suppose this is my single line comment. So you can see here the single line comment has been given by this pound symbol or this hash symbol. So this hash symbol denotes that it is a single line comment, and when Python will execute this file, then it will escape or it will not read this file because these are comment. These are only given in the source code or in your application logic so that other people can understand your code, that what it is doing, what is a variable here, what is the name of that variable, what it does, what this function takes as input, what it gives as output. All those things are written inside comment. Now in Python, multi-line comment is given in somewhat different way. So for multi-line comment, we give these three symbols and then again these three symbols. So we start with with an inverted comma, then these three inverted commas are there, and again it ends with a 3 inverted comma, and you can write your comment, descriptive comment here. So I can say here that this is an addition function which takes two arguments a and b, and it returns the sum of those two arguments. So I'm trying to define a function here, that is I'm trying to give the description of the add function which we'll write later on in subsequent videos, but this is the way we write multi-line comment. So this is a quite descriptive comment, that the name of the function is there, that is, this is an addition function, so and its name is add. So I have given this comment, this is an addition function and its name is add, which takes two arguments a and b, and it returns the sum of those two arguments. So this is a kind of descriptive comment which takes more than one line. So we'll put inside the multi-line comment, and the multi-line comment is given by what? These three inverted comma sign, and then again here these three inverted comma sign. and the single line comment is given by what? A single pound symbol or hash symbol. So these are the two ways in which you can provide comment to your source code. One more important thing here to note is that this multi-line comment can be used as doc strings. So in Python, there's an important terminology called doc strings, which is used by doc generator, Python doc generator, to generate the documentation of your source code. So you write your classes, you write your functions, you write your variables, and you put these multi-line comments there, and when a doc generator will read your source code or read your individual files, then it will create HTML pages out of it by and the description and everything will be read out from this particular doc string, this particular comment, multi-line comment, and it will be present on your that particular HTML page, which any other person can read and understand your code. So multi-line comment is also used in doc strings, which is used to generate documents for your source code. So this was all about what is comment, how to provide comment in Python. Hope you like this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it and please share these videos with your friends and other developers. Thank you.